Happy to see you, everyone. This is Della. We are a shop that sells the DIY materials and also the ready-made jewelry. Let's go in to make a bangle today. Non-tarnish copper wire 0.6, 0.4, 1 millimeter. We use gold color today. This bangle we will use a very nice Unakite stone and fresh wood pearl. We use the memory wire bangle as the bangle base. Two different glues, F6 Starland and Super Glue. Both you can find in my shop. A hard steel wire for make the spring. Okay, that's all. First, let's cut the 1 millimeter wire 30 centimeter. Okay, 30 centimeter equal to 1 foot. Then fold it in the middle, make it as a job shape loop, like a job shape loop. The loop size will be similar as the back of the stone. Similar size as the back of the stone. Then we fold both sides of the wire and make it looks like a table tennis bat. Then we will go start to wrap the Viking knot braid. We use the 0.4 millimeter, about 1 meter. Then we started to wrap from 20 centimeter. Okay, left here 20 centimeter and start to wrap it here. Wrap both the two wire. Okay, about 3 loops because we will open it after. Yeah, we will open it after. Start Viking knot. Go from the bottom and let the wire come out. Pull here the loop same sides. Try your best to keep every loop the same size, same height, same distance, so that keep all the same, then it will be nice. Dear my friends, the non-tarnish copper wire, you can find it in my material shop. That's the shop address is on the right corner here. You can type the shop address into the browser, then you can find my shop. After a long time, the first layer finished. Let's start the second layer. The technique is the same as the first layer. Keep all the loop the same hole. Wrap 1.5 layers, then we start to put the stone inside. The Unakite stone, you can also find it in my material shop. It is many different colors. We start the third layer. Open the 3 loops that we wrap on the 2 wires. Wrap the wire on the base so that to close the Viking knot nice. Now we start to use the 0.6 mm to make the spring. Wrap about 1 cm on the black steel wire. Then put half of the wrap inside the drum machine. Use the fabric to tight on the spring so that it will help your finger not be hurt. Here we will wrap it about 35 cm because we are making a 2-circle bangle. Cut the end and take it away from the black wire. We start to use the memory wire bangle and cut 2½ circles. Use the double round plier to bend a loop at the top. We bend the wire, then put this charm together with the memory wire, and we use the wire 0.4 mm to wrap the memory wire and the stone wire together. Wrap them together so that it will become the top of the bangle. Here is the back of the stone. You can see the back with the memory wire will also help the stone come out. Put the spring on the memory wire bangle so that the memory wire bangle will look more nice and more stronger. Follow your mind to wrap the wire on the bangle in freestyle. Make a loop at the end so that it's not going to be sharp. we use the glue to glue the pearl on the bangle. We use silver glue here. Put the F6000 glue on the back of the stone so the stone will not go out and will be more safe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. Let's get crafting.